Alexa, tell Rampiot new rule.
Here are the possible door events: locked, unlocked, opened, and closed. Which one of these events will fire the rule?
Unlocked.
This rule can apply all days or one specific day of the week. What day of the week do you prefer for this rule apply?
Every day.
Finally, select an hour range for apply rule. For example, between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. What is the hour range you want this rule apply?
1 a.m. to 5 a.m.
Here are your rule. Every day, between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m., the door will send notification automatically after been unlocked. Do you want to create it?
Yes.
Okie dokie, rule created successfully.